friends, welcome back to Easy Creations. Today I will tell you to make this beautiful card with the help of paper quilling method. For this we need colorful sheets, paper quilling strips and a tool. Take a paper strip and roll it with the help of a quilling tool as shown in circular motion. Make a coil and slightly loose it. Press it gently at one end to give the shape of a petal. Make 5 similar petals and fix it on a cutout base as shown. Paste 5 similar petals to make your flower. Make 3 similar flowers of 5 petals and 7 petals as shown. To make the leaves, you need to press gently at both the ends this time using a green color strip. You need to make 21 similar leaves. To make second types of leaves, paste 2 petal-shaped forms together and roll a paper strip over it as shown. You need to make 6 similar leaves. Now to prepare the bud, make a tight coil and insert the back side of quilling tool to give the shape of a cone. Now take a yellow shaped petal and gently press it in the center as shown. Take a 3 mm paper strip to fix the cone. Gently press at the lower end so that you get a desired shape. Make 3 similar birds. Prepare similar shapes to decorate the butterfly and the scroll as shown. To make the scroll, use 1/3 of the paper strip and fix it at one end as shown. Gently quill the end in circular motion. Make similar scrolls for decorating the card. So friends, let's assemble the card by pasting different shapes we had prepared. So friends, I hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you once again. Please don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Bye bye.